To add a scheduled maintenance window to multiple devices, open the Configuration tab in the left menu, go to Monitoring, and then Rules. Click Add. Indicate if the rule should be public or private, and enter a name and description. Use the arrows to choose which device filter to apply to this rule. This is where multiple devices can be selected for the maintenance window. Open the Maintenance Windows tab and click Add. Select the type of maintenance window to add from the drop-down menu. In this example, we will add a downtime window. Enter in a name and type or use the arrows and set the duration of the downtime. Select the schedule type, once or recurring. If recurring is selected, the start and stop times are grayed out. Use the Schedule drop-down menu to select if the downtime should be monthly or on a custom schedule. In this example, we will schedule a recurring maintenance downtime at 10 p.m. on the last day of the month. Click Save. Open the Grant Customers and Sites Access tab. Select which customers or sites to include in the maintenance window rule. If Propagate to all new customers and sites is selected, this rule will automatically apply to new assets that fall under the selected filter. To view which devices are currently included in this action, click the Show Devices tab on the right. Click Save when finished. Verify that the rule is enabled through the Device Details view. Open details for a selected device, and under Settings, Maintenance Windows, the rule appears.